Hello?
Steven, I have a question about a girl in our math class.
About who?
Just come over.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye. So, Steven, I've been thinking about Rachel.
What about her?
I think I'm gonna go ahead and ask her out.
You can't ask her out, you're not even that good at math.
Whatever, I'm just gonna do it anyways.
Alright, good luck.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Preston.
You go on a date with me?
You're in my math class, so I know you're kind of dumb. Maybe if you study.
Fine.
Didn't work?
No, she doesn't even like dumb people.
Well, I told you, now we gotta get to work. We gotta go do some free calculus.
Alright. What are we gonna learn first?
Alright, the first thing you gotta learn is 8.2, the arithmetic partial sum of the 150th term of this sequence. A1 comes from the first term, is 5. D comes from the second term minus the first term. N comes from which term you have to find. And C comes from this equation here, A1 minus D, which is negative 6. Then you plug it into here and you get A 150 equals 11 times 150 minus 6, which comes out to be 1644. And then you take this and plug it into here. You get S of 150 equals 150 over 2, 5 plus 1644, and the answer comes out to be 123, 675. Okay?
Yeah. Alright, so I think that's good.
We only did one section. We're wasting time. Let's go. We need to do more.
So, what are we learning now?
We have 8.3 now. First, you gotta find the 15th term of the geometric sequence whose first term is 20 and whose common ratio is 1.05. And you use this equation. You plug in 15 for n, plug in 20 for a1, plug in 1.05 for r, and plug in 15 for n again, n minus, or 15 minus 1, 14. And you end up with 339.599. That's it.
Oh, sounds easy enough. Alright, I think that's enough math for one day.
She's still not gonna say yes. That was only 2 problems. Let's go back in and do some more.
We're finding infinite sums now?
Yeah, but you have to use a calculator. First, to get to the summation notation, you have to press math and 0 on a calculator. And then plug in this on your calculator, but instead of putting in infinity, since you can't, put in a big number like 100 and it'll come out with 8. But you have to make sure that it still comes out with 8 by putting in an even bigger number like 300. And do the same thing for this problem. You'll come out with 12 for this and 8 for this, and that's it.
Alright. So do you think I'm ready now?
Maybe, or probably not. I wouldn't risk it, but...
You know what? I'm gonna just go try it again.
Alright, good luck.
So, Steven's taught me 3 problems.
3?
They're hard.
So what happened?
She said no again.
I warned you. Alright, let's get back to work.
Can we already do this?
Yep, but this is without a calculator. So you find the sum of an infinite geometric series. Here's the equation, and here's the problem. Here's the variables you need to find. A1 you find by plugging 1 in for n. This makes it 0 power, which is just 1 times 4 is 4. And then to find r, you just find it right here. 0.6. Then you plug it into this equation and you get 4 over 1 minus 0.6, which is 4 over 0.4, which equals 10, and that's the answer.
This is too much math. I think she'll say yes now.
There's only a few more problems. Come on, we can get them done.
So what's this one?
This is another problem from 8.3. First, to find A1, you plug in 1 for n, and you get 4 times 0.3. For n, you get from right here 12. And r comes from right here, 0.3. Then you plug all 3 of these in for the formula. And from there, you use a calculator to solve it, and you get 1.714.
I think I'm good, but maybe I should just do one more to be safe.
Yep, alright, let's go do it.
8.2 again.
Yep, now we gotta find the sum of a finite arithmetic sequence. First you find A1 by plugging 1 into this, you get 7. Then you find n, which is right here, 20. Then you gotta find A20, 20 times 2 is 40 plus 5, 45. Then you get, as 20 equals 20 over 2, 7 plus 45. And just simplify that and you get 10 times 52. The answer is 520.
So do you think I'm ready?
Well, you gotta prove it to her somehow. You can't just, she doesn't just know.
How am I supposed to prove it to her?
Well, we got a math quiz this Friday. If you get a good grade on that, you can show it to her.
Alright.
So how'd you do on the quiz?
See for yourself.
You got an A. That's great. Go ask her.
Hope she says yes.
Of course she will. Hurry up.
Check it out. I got an A. Will you go with me now?
You can pick me up at 6:07.
Okay. So how'd it go?
Thanks to you, she said yes.
Nice.